What's flying, everyone? Alright, so I'm inside my garage, aka my workbench. I'm excited because I just got a brand new goggle set in. Okay, so only thing I did was just to unzip it because I'm going to be holding the camera. It's going to be a little hard, but either way. So let's see. Okay, so we got the monitor here. It's a pretty good size. It's a lot like my Yixing EV800 size screen that's in there. I see a slot for SD cards, what looks like an HDMI port so that I can plug it into a simulator or plug anything else into it. We got the dual antennas. Looks like, I'm gonna guess that that's the record button because this thing has a DVR. And on the back we have a little, what feels like it's clicking all kinds of ways. So I'm gonna guess this is probably the joystick to go through the menus. Let's get this, well, let's start with this too. What's in here? Woo, my finger's getting all up in the way. Sorry guys. Okay. So it looks like a manual, which I already read the manual online before I got it, so I kind of know how everything works. So that's pretty standard. Cloth for cleaning. Let's see what else. Of course, we have the, the audio put in, which I'm actually never going to use this. So that's going into my spare part pile. What else is in here? And 2 dipoles. Cool, I suppose. I'm not going to use them. Yeah, there's another one of these, so that should have been on there. And that's all that's inside this little pocket. So I'm going to put these back just in case something happens. If you can't tell, I already have my antennas here. I got my patch. And then, of course, I got my Pagoda going on. All right, so let's take this piece out. All right, so it looks pretty straightforward. Headset gear here. Let's look at the front. So you're going to click the screen on here, and it just clips in. Pretty solid. I'm going to guess this plugs into the monitor, and it leads over to a LiPo plug. So it doesn't have an integrated battery source. So the flight footage you're going to see next, I'm just simply going to use this box's DVR.
Playing hard to get.